everyone. So today I decided I'm going to do just a short little tutorial on something really cool that I bought. And it's just a water fountain, but it's actually for your living room. So it's pretty cool. It's just a mini tiny water fountain. So the first step is to put at least 2 bottles of pure water. All right, so that's 1. And then we got number 2. So you want to make sure that you get at least 2 water bottles in here, okay? And always make sure that it's pure water. So then the next step is, as you'll see, it comes with a plug, and we know that you can't put the plug in the water because of course it can become very dangerous. So next step is you're going to have this piece here. First, there is the LED light, which you just put on top of the pipe here. And then you take this piece here and you put it on top of that part. So as you can see now, it's now pushed into that part. So then you're going to flip it over, okay? You're going to make sure that this plug is completely submerged into water. As you can see, there's 2 little suction cups. So when you put this into the water, it's automatically going to set itself. And we're going to want to make sure we put this down first, okay? Because that's your holder. So you'll set it on top of here. Oops, let me just turn that around. And then you're going to set it on top of here. Now, what you're going to do is make sure that the cord is always in this little groove so that you don't get electrocuted. You want to make sure that the cord is out of the fountain. So then what you'll do is you'll just plug it in. And once you plug it in, you'll notice that there you go. You've got some pretty cool water coming out of the fountain. And then it comes with these little rocks. So these rocks are just to give it a little design. So you can just put those going around like that. And there you go. And at the very top of it, you'll notice that there's an LED light. Now, it's very difficult to see it because it's daytime. But in the night, you'll notice that all this area here will actually light up. And, you know, it's quite nice to have in the night when you're watching it. And it's pretty cool because it gives the sound of like a water effect. So I just thought I'd show you all that. I thought it was pretty cool. Thanks so much for watching my show. Please subscribe to my channels if you like what you see. And please like or comment if there's any particular videos that you'd like for me to cast next time. Thank you so much. Have a good day. Bye.